Hello, I'm indeed super excited to welcome you all to another episode from GIFTA Seeds. Today, I have something that's really cool and unique from our beans family. And one more thing, I have a secret to be revealed. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Winged beans. Have you heard this before? If yes, wow, that's too good. Please do share your experience in the comments below. Oops, what if no? That's okay. Let's learn it together with Gifta seeds. Generally, in Tamil Nadu, we call it as siragavarai. Other than this, wing beans have so many other names like four-angled bean, four-cornered bean, Goa bean, dragon bean, princess pea, and so on. Luckily, wing beans can be grown in at most any soil condition, so it's even more easier for us to grow winged beans. Let us first soak the seeds in water, make sure they are getting double the size, and then load the seed starter with potting mix. Sow the seeds in it, spray some water to keep the soil moist. Within 5 to 6 days, seeds will start to germinate. Once the baby plant is about 5 to 6 inches, it's time to transplant them. Make sure you plant them in a big sized pot or in direct soil. Keep them in places with full sun for better growth. Try to help them out with a trellis like structure for the young vines to climb on. Actually, during the initial days, seedling grows very slow. But after a month, they speed up like anything. As an added advantage, winged beans are like ice cream cone. We can eat the whole thing. I mean, the entire plant is edible. To make it even more clear, the tender leafy greens and shoots can be cooked. Flowers are lovely when scattered over salads. Fresh winged bean seeds can be eaten like fresh peas or dried and roasted to make a drink similar to coffee. Roots and tubers of winged beans can be cooked just like potatoes. Nice, right? No worries, recipes are getting ready and we'll taste them soon for sure. By the way, wing beans are loaded with healthfulness. They are very rich in nutritional value and low in calories. On regular consumption, it improves our digestion, promotes healthy skin, builds our immunity, strengthens our bones, more importantly, prevents diabetes and whatnot. Finally, it's time to reveal the secret. Winged beans, once planted, it's done for your lifetime. Can you guess it how? It's because winged bean plants produce large tubers in their roots from which every year we get new plants growing by itself. Isn't that cool? Hope this is enough for today. Many such surprises are coming up one after the other in our upcoming videos. Until then, stay tuned with Gifta Seeds. If there is any queries, feel free to mention them in the comments below. And yes, if you feel it useful, do share it with your friends and family whom you care the most and to people who wish to care our nature. See you then. Bye-bye.